Hi all, hope everybody had a great weekend. This is my first IG Live, so if it's terrible, bear that in mind. But I have been doing a trademark series in my feed, so I thought I would do a live talking about one of the questions that I'm asked the most frequently, which is what is the difference between the superscript TM and the R with a circle around it. So first things first, if you're unsure what a trademark is, go to my feed. Like I said, I've been posting about this all week. But I want to talk about the superscript TM first. So a superscript TM, I'm just going to call it TM for brevity's sake, is an unregistered trademark. In contrast, the R with a circle around it is a registered trademark. You can't use the R with a circle around it, at least in the US. And this live is mainly pertaining to my US followers. If you are international, there are definitely nuances. I mean, the concepts are the same, but if you have questions, DM me and I can help walk you through it. But the R with the circle around it, you can only use when your trademark is officially registered. The superscript TM, you can use when your mark is unregistered. So what is the TM? The TM basically stands for a trademark that has common law trademark rights. So this is your company name, your brand, your slogan, your logo. You can use the superscript TM if you are using your brand name, logo, company name, etc. The superscript TM works to give you common law trademark rights in your geographic area. So what that means is, as long as you are using this name, slogan, logo in the stream of commerce, which means you are using it in business, you can use a superscript TM and you can then prevent other people in your same geographic area from using that mark. Now, it has some definite limitations, and I'll talk about why registering your trademark is so beneficial because of the limitations. But here's the main one. The TM allows you to prevent other people from using the same mark, but only in your geographic area. So when you think about it with online business, obviously that's tricky. It would be different if you had a brick and mortar and you, I don't know, I'm making up a company, let's say Karen's Cookies, and you were claiming common law trademark rights in the state of California. Well, that's one thing to use the TM and prevent others from using the same name in California, but that doesn't work in Nevada. So the TM, like I said, it does give you some protection, but it's restricted geographically. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you about the TM? So yes, again, limited geographically, but what I would say about the TM, and if you've seen my profile and my website, I'm using the TM. It is a great way to put any potential competitors or potential infringers on notice that you are claiming your trademark rights. So if you plan to register in the future, if your registration is in process, and if we're talking about the U.S. Trademark Office here, I mean, the process can be long. It could take up to a year. You can use the superscript TM, and it can act as a deterrent to keep people from using your same name. So hopefully that helped clarify the TM versus the R. I will come on live again and talk about the benefits of registering a trademark, so then you can use that R with the circle around it. Have a great day.